This is the most famous lie in science. You've seen it on t-shirts, logos, and in every textbook. It's the idea that atoms look like mini solar systems with electrons circling a center like tiny planets. It's a beautiful image, but it's completely impossible. If atoms actually worked like this, the world around you would glitch out and vanish in a heartbeat. Today we're fixing this model. Welcome to part 2, why atoms are not like planets, the secret barcode of reality. Old school physics said a circling electron must radiate energy to move faster to stay in orbit, but energy isn't free. As the electron leaks energy, it should spiral inward faster and faster like a whirlpool until it crashes into the center. Scientists call this classical instability, but you can think of it as a whirlpool trap, and it should happen in a billionth of a second, but since you're still here, a genius named Niels Bohr realized the universe needed a new set of rules. Bohr took the chunky rules from part 1 and applied them to the atom. He argued that electrons are like people on a staircase. You can stand on step 1, step 2, or step 3, but you're physically forbidden from standing in the space between the steps. These are forbidden zones. Also, an electron can't go lower than step 1. It has a floor. It can't crash. The staircase is what keeps reality solid. How do we know? First, look at this rainbow from the white light through a prism. Now look at this barcode. When we zap hydrogen gas, it makes it glow and electrons get bumped up, then fall back down to the lobby, the relaxed state. Then put this glowing hydrogen through a prism, it gets this barcode. A short fall spits out a red photon, a giant leap spits out blue or violet. If electrons could stand anywhere, we'd see a rainbow. But that is not the case, and we see clean specific lines. It's the atom's secret ID tag. But if an electron moves from step 1 to step 2 without ever crossing the space in between, it's not walking. It's teleporting. And if things are teleporting, are they even solid at all? Next time we enter the cosmic price tag and the shy electron. See you in part 3.